You see, this is the webinar organized related to the campaign that is in the support of campaign of एक में 100 के लिए, and the phase 7 is going on. Regarding this webinar, that is, we are trying to aware the eligible voters. If I say eligible voters, that means those who are already crossed the 18 plus age or going to cross the 18 years at 1st January 2022. So they all are eligible voters and they can register their online registration using online portal. I'm going to guide you out how to register, which website need to observe, and which are the benefits and what you can do using this online electoral portal. So starting with the webinar, the title given is New Voters Registration Process, but it is not only a registration. There are lot many supports given by the government of Gujarat, and that all handled by the Election Commission of India. So I'm Professor Ghanshyam Rathod, working as an assistant professor at EC Department, VVM Engineering College, and also working as a caretaker officer for 2 CTC Vidyanagar NCC office. So starting with the webinar, you see here in this one, that is online portal. It is name given is National Voter Service Portal. So here, when you try this using Google. So whenever you open this website, this is the first page you can able to observe. On this first page, you can able to see that login or register. If you have never logged in it, you need to first time log in it or you have to register it. So login is created by your credential, your information. If you are doing first time login, certain things need to be asked by the portal. Over here also you can apply login. So when you click on login, yeah, one more thing here I would like to add, that voters helpline mobile application is also there. That is also developed by Election Commission of India. So that is also supporting voter registration. The same thing available, like you use the browser using your window or other Macs, and otherwise you can use the same thing on Android phone that is available on Google Play Store. You just install it and same procedure you need to follow. I'm going to show you the procedure of registration on the portal nvsp.in. So when you click on that login or registration on online portal, you will be able to see this window. This window you can able to see. In that it is written that to write username, it can be your email ID or it can be your mobile number. Write the password and captcha code is available. You enter and log in. But if you do not have login anytime or before, you just have to create a new account. So you don't have account, then register as a new user. You just click on that. You have to fill up the basic details. Like first of all, you have to enter mobile number. Then after enter the captcha, you get send OTP, that is one-time password. When you get that OTP, you just get the message that your number is verified. After getting this one, you have to fill up these informations. Like I have Epic number, I don't have Epic number. Epic is nothing but your voter ID number. That is voter ID card number. I'll tell you what is that. If you are having that water photo identity card, you can enter directly that unique number of epic number that is known as epic number. Another part, you have to enter your email ID. Whatever email ID you are entering, they will send a verification message. For email verification, you have to just click on the link and that email will be verified. This password you need to create. That password must be some capital letter, some small letter, and a special character as well as some numbers. So combination of password for higher security. Then after, when you log in, this is what you can able to see. When you are already logged in, you can able to see this window. Over here, there are many things available. So starting with one by one. First of all, when you click on the first one, like over here, eEpic download. When you click on this eEpic download, you can see that this window will going to open. So here it is written download electronic copy of eEpic card. Okay, so you have to enter your electronic epic card number, or otherwise if you do not have registered, you do not have that epic card number. So here I have epic card number, then only you can download. Here you see eEpic download facility is available for electors registered after November 2020. Like if you registered, like if you have already epic and that is registered before November 2020, you cannot able to download the or soft copy of this card. Okay, so after November 2020, registered student or registered candidates or civilians can download this one. Another part, when you click on search in electoral roll, like from where you can get this one, you see over here window. These are the one by one window I'm just showing you. First one is eEpic download, then after search in electoral roll, then after voter portal, then forms, then download electoral roll PDF, then no more, and then finally track applications. So these are the various services provided by that NVSP portal. So when you click on this search in electoral roll, so over here, what we can do in that? So it is written that welcome to National Voters Service Portal. So what you can do that you can search your name in National Electoral Roll by entering basic details. You can locate polling station on map. You can print voter information slip, apply for enrollment, modification, deletion, change of address in electoral roll, no booth level officer, that is a BLO, electoral roll officer, that is ERO, know your district election officer, officials, and officials in chief election offices. So that is DEO and CEO. Okay, so these all are things that you can able to get the information about. All of these things, all of these services are provided by such online portal. Nowadays we are doing everything online. We do not have to present physically at the civil service offices. So everywhere you find such online things, and that is very handy and user friendly. Now another part, that is when you click on that search in electoral roll, when you click on that, here you see this tab that you can search your information. Like already you have applied for epic, or already you are having epic number, you can able to get this information about yourself, that you just enter your name over here, your age, your father's name, or your gender, and then after you have to select the state, then district, and finally you just apply search over here by necessarily entering all the codes and all. You can able to get basic details about you, like whatever detail of your epic number or voter ID details are there, you can able to find it out. And if you have that epic number, you can enter it directly over here and you can able to find the details. So if you do not have epic number, then you have to enter the basic detail, photograph and all. In the registration part, like you have to enter that I do not have epic number. At that time, they will allow you to go for further forms. You have to fill all the necessary details, and like you have to upload the photographs, you have to upload your proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card, even driving license for address and such things. So after entering all the necessary details, your application will be submitted, and they will also show you that what is the status of your application and when you are going to get your voter card. Yes, this one is voters portal. When you click on voters portal, this is available. So using this portal also, you get like here it is written voterportal.eci.gov.in. This is one more additional portal where you can get such supports like enroll to what, check my enrollment, update my details, find my polling station, know my BLO, download e-epic. Just you have to enter your necessary details and just log in it, and you will get all the necessary supports by this voter portal. Another thing, that forms. So which forms are available? Here you see different online forms are available. You click on the form, you can download this PDF file also, and you can also track your applications. Like somebody want to include the names for residential electors, somebody want to inclusion of names for overseas electors, somebody want any objection on inclusion of names, someone want to connection of entries or correction in the entries of electoral rolls. So all those things like form 7, form 7, form 8, form 6, form 8A, all the things are available. Just you have to click on certain things and you can able to do you will able to get this support online only. Now you see here is whenever you click on certain things like download electoral roll PDF, when you click on that tab, this tab is going to open. So this is what showing you state-wise supporting online platforms. So when I click on Gujarat and then go, then it is going to direct me to the Gujarat portals. So here you see when you click on that Gujarat portal, you get that ceo.gujarat.gov.in. That this website, this portal, online portal is going to get open. And on that, you will get all the necessary support and information about how to register, what are the things to do for voters, which are the queries, all the things which voters need to get supported. That are informations are given in the local languages. If you select any other states in that local language, you can able to get all the necessary information. But for registration, you have to visit nvsp.in. Another thing is know your that tab when you click on and when you enter epic number, you can able to get the details of BLO, ERO, then DEO, all the things. Then phone numbers, contact numbers are also given. Then booth address is also given. So that is booth level officer, that is BLO, then electoral registration officer, that is ERO, then district election officer, that is DEO. So all the information, names and phone number and your booth address, all the things you can able to get from know your tab. Then track your online application. For that you have to enter the reference ID. Whenever you apply for certain things, they will give you a particular reference ID, and when you enter it, like when you are just sending some courier, at that time they are giving you certain tracking ID. Such the reference IDs are provided whenever you enter certain forms and all. And other important informations, you see other important information, like when you scroll down the same website and when you see that over here, that link to state CEO, then water education, then polling process, then EVMs, all the other important informations you can able to get from this portal also. So you just click on the tab and you will get the necessary informations. So here is a website. I just want to show you that how it is working. So just going to stop for a while. And then after I'm going to reshare the screen. Yeah, if you are having any queries, you can drop your queries in the chat section also. Okay, I'm just going to share the screen once again. Yeah, check. So this is what a water portal, that is www.nvsp.in. So you just have to click on this login or register. If you do not have account, I have already created my account. So if you do not have account, you just have to don't have account and register as a new user. You just click on this one. When you click on this one, you will get this window. Over here, you have to verify your mobile number and then just enter the captcha and send OTP. Your mobile number get SMS. Your mobile will get the SMS OTP, one-time password. Just enter it and then verify it. Enter the necessary detail and register. So regarding password, they are giving certain guideline to make a password for security concerns. So let me log in. I'll show you what you will get after getting login. Mobile number and here's the password. And you have to enter the captcha also. See, when you get login, all of these forms, all of these supports are going to get enabled. Before login, it was not enabled. So you can download the eEpic search electoral roll, then voter portals forms. So whatever you just click on, you directed to that website. Suppose if I click over here, I will direct it to the eEpic download portal. That is a different tab available over here. But all the things are handled by National Water Service Portal. Okay. So if you do not have your EPIC card, you have to apply for a basic from the starting details. Even you can enter your profile detail over here. Okay. So over here one tab is that fresh inclusion enrollment. When you just click on that, you will get this tab. Just enter I reside in India, then you have to enter your whatever state is there, and then after next. So here are a basic information you how to enter one by one. Here you see upload a document, that is address proof. You have to add which are the address proof you can add, that is Indian passport, driving license, bank passbook, ration card, income tax assessment order, water bill, electricity bill. So if you are a student, most of the students are having their driving license, and there might be possible that they do not have such electricity bill on their name and such things. But if you are having that driving license, that is valid. If you are having Aadhaar card, that is also valid. And you can choose that address, even enter family epic if applicable. Okay, so you can also enter the family epic, and you should go like here is address, then after you have to enter the date of birth, then personal details, then additional information, and then declaration, then preview, and finally submission is there. So this is what whole process you have to do to apply for epic card, for a water card. Okay, before a few years back, it is such supports are not available, and because of that, people have to visit the offices, government offices. They have to give all the necessary informations, and then after they get their card after certain days, hard copy and all. Nowadays, this process is very simple. You can apply for such cards online, such epic card on online, and that is electoral photo identity card. Epic is nothing but electoral photo identity card. Okay, so this is what all about new registration. Then after, if you are already having Epic card, then you have to just click on that migration. If you want to, if you are moving some other place, you can click on that migration to another place. When you click on that self or family, then after you just click on next, and you have to add necessary information that which place you have migrated and which are the address and all the things they are going to ask. So this is also a wonderful support provided by the online portal, that we do not have to travel for such things. Everything we are getting handy online. This is what another question asked, that migration outside your constituency or migration within your constituency. So you can click necessary tab and you will get a form 8A. That form 8A is over here. That all digital form is there, and you can get all the necessary support from. I have already registered, so by default they have taken my information, and I can write all the necessary things whichever it is required. Okay, so this is what about basic support of migration from NVSP. Okay, I think some technical issues are there, so I'm just closing this. Once again, I'll share the page. Okay. So students and candidates and those who are present over here, participants, do you have any queries or question till now? If you are having queries, you just write in the tab section. Nihal, you can help me out regarding questions and queries.
Yes, sir.
Yes, from you people, those who have registered for this NVSP portal, just write yes, I have registered, and if you have not registered, just write no, I have not registered. Just type in a chat section, I want to see the messages from your side. And if you are 18 plus year, 18 cross already 18, and if you have applied for e-Epic, just write that I have Epic number or I have already registered. Yeah, I'm getting many messages. So one of the motive of this campaign or this webinar, that to aware all of you register for Epic, for water card, and from you people, from you young people, we want to support that you also make aware of other students or other fellows nearby your premises, your college, your hometown. Just aware the people about this online portal. Just help them to enroll in this one. First of all, enroll yourself, make your registration, then after help the other fellow to enroll in. That is why the title given to this is Ek Mein 100 ke liye. Means each and every individual have to at least enroll other 100 students or other 100 eligible voters to get enrolled on this portal, and to make aware of all the other people, those who are not user friendly with these online services. At least you can support your family members, your relatives, and your friends. Okay, you can support these fellows so that we people can able to get maximum advantage of such user friendly online portal and services. Okay, so I have get many of the messages that yes, I have registered and I have not registered. So many of you have already registered, but I request those who have not registered, just go through the procedure I have shown and register yourself in this online portal. Apply, add all the necessary details. If you are a new voter, you just add your all the necessary detail as per requirement, and you will get your voter ID card as very soon by this online procedure. Okay. Yes, if you are having any queries, you just drop a message in chat box. I'm here to solve your queries. Yes, student participants, just drop a query.
Sir, there is a query from Aniket Bhatt
Yes, tell me.
that, sir, in fresh enrollment section, in address section, it is asking house number, but I don't have house number, and if I leave that column, it is not going forward. So what we have to write in house number?
Okay, so that is asking a house number, a particular house number. So that you can enter societies, like wherever you are staying, that survey numbers are there. You can ask to your family that which survey number or which region you are staying, because each and everywhere having their own survey numbers. Okay, so you do not have house number, you can at least enter the survey number of your society or premises. Okay, any other queries? Any other queries? You can drop your message in a chat box. Okay, then I'm going to start with the quiz. For the quiz, I'm going to send a necessary